This video shows you how to install FastMaint Professional. This is the first screen of the software installer. Click on the Next button. This brings up the license agreement. Please read the agreement and accept it. Then click Next. This brings up the README file. This has useful information about the installation, especially if you are upgrading the software. Read this and click Next. We will accept the default installation options and proceed through the remaining screens. Check off Create a desktop icon if required. Click the Install button to start the installation. Let it complete. Click Finish to start FastMaint so that you can set it up. This brings up the Application Setup screen. Select Multi-User FastMaint Professional and click Next. Confirm your changes. You can choose Internal FastMaint Database to use the built-in Microsoft Access database, or choose External Microsoft SQL Server database. Here, we choose Internal FastMaint Database. Click Next. Here we choose Use FastMaint Professional Database in the default location, the Program Install directory. This option is good if it is just you trying out the software. If others too will use the system, and this is the first computer you are setting up FastMaint Professional on, choose Set up New Shared FastMaint Professional Database. Then click on Change Database Location to specify the shared folder where the database will be kept. On subsequent computers, select Use an existing shared FastMaint Professional database. Then, click on Change Database Location to specify the shared folder where the database is. After doing this, click Finish. You will need to set up a password for the main administrator account, Admin. Enter a password of between 6 to 10 characters containing only regular letters or digits. Make note of the password. See the trial expiration date. Read the license agreement and click Yes to accept it. Clicking No will exit the program. Now you will do some initial settings. Check off Create a Demo Database. If you are learning to use the system, the test data will be useful to learn the system and follow the tutorials. You can also enter any prefixes you want for the automatically generated work order and purchase order numbers, as well as starting numbers. You can click on the other tabs to enter any settings at this time, or you can come back at a later time to make changes. Only settings on the Initial Settings tab cannot be changed later on. For now, we click Save and confirm our changes. This brings up the Welcome screen, which the first time you use FastMaint automatically opens a new web browser window to the Quick Start video section on our website. You can review some of the useful videos here to learn how to use FastMaint. We close the browser window and return to the program and the Welcome screen. The screen has other useful links besides a link to the online Quick Start videos. Please read carefully. It is a good idea to sign up for the Get Tips by email, since you will get several useful tips on using FastMaint. Click on Let me start using the program. This brings up the main screen. Click on the left bar buttons to use different items. If you created a demo database, some demo items will be shown. At any point in the future, you can click on the Administration menu and select Settings to bring up this application settings screen. where you can enter email account information, work order settings, and so on. In the main Help menu, click on Registration to enter your license details if you purchase the software and wish to convert the trial to the full version. This completes the installation process.